George, whilst in opposition, you already knew that data prices in Ghana are very expensive. You didn't need a committee.
Ayo, Abushanfo. Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And Sam Jata George, Minister, Papa, Minister Arrogance, Minister Miamini, Obianti mi chere mi shi, mi na mi Sam George no. Then I'm be mi chere mi foku, na me pe na me ye, me apologize. Sam George no. You see, you're a Minister of Communication and is it digitalization? Now, Nkopo bebre omeniu adentia. They trusted Sam George. Now you they go trust an NDC person. Hey, you they go trust now they be trusty NDC in India. If I trust Delilah, me see we a Bema, and we a Bema now. Person trusty NDC near. And if our brother command Delilah, could trust Delilah. Could Delilah cried here. Now, some those antics he was doing on social media. Now, say, and say. Now, if he said, Charlie, yes, when you are eating, you don't speak. You say, Honorable, why don't you speak any longer? I'll say, if you have food in your mouth, you don't talk. Sam George was in opposition. In 2019, internet does not forget, Sam George said something on his Facebook page, and I read to you. He said, when global best practice is to achieve reduction in data and voice call prices, let us celebrate our president and his communication minister for successfully scheming to increase tariff prices. In all these, the losers are the Ghanaian people. The telcos would make their revenue targets possible exceed. With the tariff increment, the government is still going to rake in millions of dollars at the start of every month via CST. Kwabena and Ajeli will pay more for the phone calls and data bundles. I will for Ghanaians. Sam George, ebana wa position mono. Or see, Akufo-Addo, any Minister of Digitalization and as a communication. Omunti na ye data bundles are expensive. Enti ebra na Ghana for bre no. Sikani nyina kwa Akufo-Addo ne communication minister Omobotum. And in the end also no telcos no. Say like MTN, Vodafone, Tigo for no. Omuso nya musika na mu profit kwa de be kosro. And some just person kire say bundle e kosro. We have to blame the president and his minister of communication and digitalization. Eti ewa Akufo-Addo abaye mono na ye Akufo-Addo ne esla owusu. That was what Sam George was telling us. That's what Sam George, the logic of Sam George.
Sam George, whilst in opposition, you already knew that data prices in Ghana are very expensive. You didn't need a committee to know this. Thankfully, today you are the sector minister. And you are saying you need a committee to come up with findings on how to reduce data cost. This is a waste of taxpayers' money. Remember, your fight for the LGBTQ bill or whatever, you didn't need a committee to know it's wrong. It's because you have common sense. So use that same common sense and not a committee to reduce data prices in Ghana. Tomorrow is Monday. As the sector minister, you have the power. Come on and say, telcos, reduce data prices by 30%. It's common sense. You don't need the committee to pay them with the taxpayers' money. That is not how the Better Ghana agenda becomes a reality. Cheers to common sense and not committee.
Nyami adom, nyami ncha adie, ene. Ye Minister of Communications is Sam George. Na de, esan say, we all believe say Sam George had a point. Now data boy do ya blogging cried. Uto data 350 within 7 days na eko. Enti Sam George there, Sam Jata there, Oba there, or TV adenusu fumaye. Afi Sam George onko kana yentia. Ako chura de bi o internet so. My asema Sam George ka. Or say, I truly wish it was that simple. But it is not the movies. It is not the movies, my dear friend. The government cannot just order businesses to charge specific prices. The era of price control is long gone. I want the industry to engage the users of data and the government to reach a solution that works for all of us. Trust the process. It will all come together nicely. Thanks. Hey, Sam George. Sam George. What's he saying? Debbie. We should trust what process? There is no process to trust. There is absolutely no process to trust at all, Sam George. Keep quiet. She. Now say Jimmy on. Jimmy, you cannot come and tell us say after the easy sana government has. Assembly was okay no. Enya wa na okasa Akufo-Addo ni communication minister na omu increase the bundles 1990 bundles. Now after the assembly be can say it's not that easy. The time for price control is over. It's long gone. Long gone since 2019 it was not gone. Masa mu jai sa ade ampese mu ye no. Make sure say mu promises no fulfill. Each and every one of your promises must be fulfilled. Simple and short. You don't want to hear any excuses. You must fulfill each and every one of your promises. You promise Ghanaians say data boy denu Akufo-Addo. That is the reason they voted against Bawumia. Because they know say once Mahama comes to power there, or by appointing Sam George as Minister of Communication. Now Sam George also dey gigi or what be yi data no so am cry. Why yes, even Mr. Happiness our company man mukra we draw. Now after the Uber minister Charlie call catch telecom say omu data no so a enkoti I will say den crowd I go for me committee. Now end is for the multi committee the multi shake an bio mo. Multi committee a multi shake an bio. Enti mo ankasa de mu ni plan bia aban mu amuba na mu campaign sem person ba aban mu no mu ni plan bia ama be implement. And everything I'm bia no say inform committee. I'm benum tea, obedi jollof, by kudi tilapia, or we are sitting allowance. Sam George, if you are not able to negotiate for data prices to come down, then you don't deserve your salary. I repeat, Sam George, if you don't negotiate for data prices to come down as a sector minister, if you cannot do that, and it is a committee you rely on, then you should not take any salary as a minister. Why are we paying you? If it's about committees, then there's no need to do elections. At every point in time, you just form committees, and the committees will do it. But you are a minister, you are the head. You are the chief negotiator at the communication ministries. Sam George, we are chief negotiation officer our Ministry of Communications. And to make sure say MTN data about form, Telecel data about form, Eto Tigo about form. Yeah, we are not going to hear any excuses. My dear friend, we are not your dear friend. We ain't your dear friends at all, Sam George. And Freya, your dear friend, we are not your dear friends. You are our minister. We are paying you. We give you one V8, one saloon car. We pay for your wardrobe allowances. You pay for your plane tickets. Your dear friends. Now me this can be. Now me your friends isn't. Me your friend. Massa. Ejuma yede ma ono. Koye juma nanja sa dia asema oka na ofele say uye we you damage control we never fa. Enfa. The internet does not forget. 2019 uka say Akufo-Addo any minister omutena data and social data and boy. We use that same measurement for you, Sam George. And say data na enko forma who ni John Mahama who boss muna watching data no so entina data price na enko for. We are ready for you people. Hey, If you know what is coming, if you knew what is coming, you will keep quiet and start working. No? You will sincerely keep quiet and start working if you knew what was coming. My campaign, we have one day, one committee. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers, see you in the next one.